guys, welcome back to another video of Bluey. Let's start.
This episode of Bluey is called Backyard. Bandit! Chili!
What if the kids are going to come back from school? Yeah. I think we should make some pizza for them. Okay, sure thing. Oh, did you seriously forget to build this? Yeah, I did. Never mind, it's okay. Okay, I've got this bit. Now this bit. Because we only got the pizza yesterday. I didn't have time to build it yesterday. True. Let's let that pizza cook. Okay. And I'm gonna go tidy the place up. Okay. Let's do that. Quick wash these little goons. What's in here? There's our two names. I guess we can't have too many of these, you know? Let's go. Perfect, I think that's everything. Okay, let's put this right here. We need to put this in the shed. Turn that light on. Turn this light on. Huh? What's this? There's something showing there. Come on, let's go. Circle this. I guess we have to move this. Oh, wow. So cool. Anyways, I just gotta do my work now. Sad hard work. I think I deserve a bit of some pineapple juice, some lemonade. Perfect. I wonder how to do that. I wonder what the kids were up to then. They're always up to something, those little rascals. Okay, let's let that bucket fill up. I can't have too many of these. You said that just in here. Just I like to say it anyways. Just grab this and this. This one should we put this one here because it looks quite cute. Oh, wow, that's so cool. These kids sure have massive imaginary things, imaginary minds. Switch these two around. I guess we must put the flamingo back. Okay, let's put this here. Beautiful. The garden looks beautiful as can be. They should be coming home very soon. Let's close this. We might as well put the ball away because we never really use it. I guess we could use it today. Yeah, come on. guess we'll just leave this here. The kids should be coming home. Because they got the bus today. Yeah, they got the bus. Oh, I think that's them coming. Let's put down here.
Bingo! Bluey!
Hello, Mum and Dad. Hi, we've got some pizza. Yay, pizza, yay. So does pizza. Yay. Let me try that. Ouch. I did it. I got a bird. Dad, I got birds. Oh, honey, come on, let's go. Be careful, don't go too close. It's okay, let's put some water on that hand. Good girl, you're so brave. Perfect. Okay, I'll get the pizza out, everyone, since everyone is so desperate for this pizza. This pizza's looking really, really good. I love this so much. Thank you. Oh, I love pizza. Yum. Let's eat. This is so delicious. We're gonna put some lemonade. Come on, let's go. Lemonade. So yum. Oh, there's a knife. Cool. What can we do? Let's make this. Wow, there's flowers. Anyways, we must put it back. Should put this here. Excuse me. Okay, let's move. I think that's everything. Let me put all these names away now. Decorate them all around the place. Let's put this one here. I'm tired. Yeah, it's bedtime, kids.
This episode of Bluey is called Bedroom. Bandit! Chili! Bluey! Bingo! Honey!
This cool. I love this. This is so cool. Okay. Oh my dragon! Dragon's so cool. Let's put dragon away. Dragon! Doing your best. Okay. Music off. Lullabies on. Once there was a planet which hatched through the dark. Once there was a planet which went through the dark. Once there was a planet which did.
We can make a toy tower, place them on top of each other, and let's see how tall we can make them.
Dad, wake up! Ah, spider! And then they lived happily ever after.
These kids have too many toys. Maybe we should clean out this toy box.
Okay, let's put this one away. Night. What's this message? Okay, anyways. Once there was a chick which hatched through the sky, and there was a mama chick. But the poor mama chick went on an adventure. But the poor mama chick was never to be found ever again. But one day, she was found again with her two daughters, Bluey and Bingo. Beautiful. Mwah. Say night. I forgot to put lullabies on.